Miracle Body and Paint in San Antonio, Texas, where magic happens. The hub of extraordinary collision repair, it is within these very walls that twisted metal becomes pristine. Picture a vast, bustling workshop, a symphony of sparks, metal, and determination where expert technicians work tirelessly, breathing life back into vehicles that have borne the brunt of accidents. The process is fascinating, a blend of art and science. Technicians meticulously scrutinize every detail, ensuring each crease and curve is restored to its pre-accident glory. Yet this place is not just about the miracles that happen on the garage floor. It's also about the miracles that happen in your wallet. We are proud to offer deductible discounts, easing the financial burden that often comes with unexpected repairs. It's an assurance of quality, backed by a lifetime warranty, that makes the service stand out. Miracle Body and Paint, where every car gets a second chance. This place is not just a repair shop, it's a beacon of hope for damaged cars and their owners. Stay tuned, the miracles never end.